Fabio Quartararo and Yamaha took a bold step forward during the Misano test, showcasing what could be a turning point in the team's Motogp future. The day began with Quartararo riding Yamaha's traditional inline-4 M1, continuing the setup and development path familiar to both rider and engineers. This was business as usual, until the real surprise arrived. Later in the session, Quartararo swung a leg over the brand new V4 machine, Yamaha's experimental engine concept aimed at bridging the performance gap to their rivals. Unlike secretive private sessions, this test was public, making Yamaha's intent clear. They are serious about change. Limited resources, big expectations. In the Yamaha garage, there was only one V4 prototype ready for Quartararo. Another unit, intended for Jack Miller, was still undergoing maintenance. This shows how early the project is. Yamaha is not yet at the stage of fielding multiple complete prototypes. For Quartararo, the goal wasn't to set blistering lap times, but to understand the bike's character and provide crucial feedback to Yamaha's engineers. His input will guide future refinements in power delivery, handling, and chassis balance, key elements that could determine whether the V4 project succeeds. Public test. Public pressure. Choosing to test the V4 at Misano under the eyes of media and fans is a bold move. It generates excitement and transparency but also raises expectations. If the V4 fails to deliver soon, Yamaha will face even more scrutiny from critics and competitors alike. Engineering shift. Moving from an inline-4 to a V4 is a massive change in Motogp terms. It alters engine characteristics, affects weight distribution, and potentially unlocks the speed Yamaha desperately needs. Rider adaptation. Quartararo, who has built his style around the inline-4, now faces the challenge of adapting to the very different nature of a V4 power band. Strategic gamble. By going public early, Yamaha signals commitment, but they also risk showing rivals their cards before the project is fully mature. The Misano test wasn't just another practice session, it was a glimpse into Yamaha's possible future. With Quartararo as the spearhead, the V4 project could redefine the M1 and bring Yamaha back into serious contention. But the journey is just beginning, and the road ahead is uncertain.